do. This is fire. It's flaming death. Well, hello there, and welcome to just another cooking game. I haven't played this in a minute, so I decided to just play it. So we're just gonna play it and see what happens. And yeah, this is the intro. This is totally the intro. Just because I can. And don't mind me, I'm just getting my ketchup of doom prepared because I already know this is gonna be a lot of doom. Mainly for me. E E E E E E E E E E E E E. Okay. Sir. Okay, well, last time I was right here. So this is not gonna be great. This could be fun. Welcome to the Ultimate Bacon Witch.
Greetings, culinary experts.
Hi there. Already things are starting to break.
Hello, Chef
Fire.
Virtuoso.
Pure fire. Excuse you.
Greetings, culinary artists.
Okay, so you want food, right? Okay, so you want food. Let's go ahead and give you guys some food, yeah? Alright, you want that and that, and then you also want that. Well, guess what? Sir, you want a
How do
specific
robots
kind
keep
of
their food
burger,
fresh?
right?
In a circuit.
Pulling all the wrong things. So you know what? Here. You can actually take this, and this.
Feed me burger heaven.
Nutrition.
There you go. Enjoy your burgers, my friends. Here. Oh, that sounds like badness. What's on fire? Oh, you. Okay, so I gotta beat you with my wrench. Okay. Why are you looking at him like that, Jimmy? Oh my gosh, because you're trying to figure out where all that goes. Okay, so where does all that go? Oh wait, French fries. I almost forgot about the French fries. Hey, you there.
Robots
Take that.
love burgers. Confirmed.
Anyways, I'm just gonna complete and do as much as I can, and if I don't complete any orders, you know what? It's okay. Ow! I punched something in real life. I don't know what it was, but my hand just went ahead and decided it won't be very, very, very close to wherever that was I just punched. Look at throw some bacon on it. Throw on some special secret sauce. All the special secret sauce, please. There you go, friend.
Burger piece. Concluded with satisfaction.
Hey, you want some fries with that? Here, have some extra fries with that. Oh, you want some bacon? Yeah, let's give you some bacon. Doesn't matter how I put it on there, right? As long as I give you the bacon.
Burger reboot.
Here, you probably want some of this too. Let's put on some fries. Put on your eyeball. There we go. I think that's plenty. Have you been around here a lot? I want to ask you a question. Did you know the Muffin Man? Because the Muffin Man lives on Drury Lane. If he lives on Drury Lane,
At critical levels.
well, that's too dang bad. You should not have interrupted me. Now it's going to take you even longer for me to go ahead and make you food. Oh, you want cheese too? Okay, well, I'll give you cheese. I'll give you all the cheese in the world there, Bob. Look at that. I'm actually going to complete one order. One order. Actually fully completed.
Palette adventure.
The right
journey
way.
Completed with pleasure.
Ish. Wow, I got a lot of points. But not eh. Kill. I don't know why they didn't give me that one for. I mean, I'm such a great cook. I wash my hands with boogers every day. I mean, do you see my sink in here? I mean, it's right here. It's so perfect. It's just so amazingly cleaning, and it makes my hands so sterile. And then you can just go like this. You can just drink it, just like that. If you really want to, you can double up on your cup, and you can just scoop all of that good stuff, and then just drink it all. Let's get some ketchup. Let's get some ketchup sauce. Some barbecue sauce. More ketchup sauce. More barbecue sauce. More barbecue sauce. More ketchup. More barbecue. And more ketchup. Cool. It made it. Alright, so back to level 8. Hey, excuse me.
Greetings, gastronomic
Oh, wait.
Greetings, gastronomy
Oh,
guru.
that's right. 5.
Hello, flavor explorers.
Little Jimmy, you
High-quality
got
design.
yourself a nice looking fire extinguisher there, dude. Okay, so you want the burgers. How many burgers y'all want? Y'all want some chases.
What do you call a robot that's always tired? A sleep cycle.
Oh, you actually don't want any cheeses. How dare you? Did you know that I'm just gonna give you
Burger
that?
cravings, momentarily at rest.
what's broken?
Food night.
Oh,
Satiety achieved with great satisfaction.
bro, I did. You wait.
Salutations,
You took
culinary
your bread,
connoisseurs.
sir. You took your. Hi. Who's about to go?
Robots
You.
love
Okay,
burgers.
fine.
Confirmed.
So be it.
What do robots
Do,
use
do, do,
to
do,
season
do.
their food?
It's
Microchips
fine
and salsa.
because I can just go ahead like this. Ooh. Okay, so you want some bacon too?
System failure without burger.
Well, that's, bro. Sir. Ma'am, sir. Sir, ma'am. Whatever you decide you
Why
want
did
to
the
be.
robot go on a diet? To lose some weight in binary.
I need the bottom. Thank you.
Burger withdrawal in progress.
Here. Here.
Burger cravings successfully suppressed.
Okay. Last customer. Yeah, I know, right? You have so much time. You have all the time.
Why did
So
the robot
I'm
go
not
to
even
cooking
gonna
school?
worry. You're just gonna get exactly what I give you. Have some cheese. Here. Nice ooey gooey and
Burgerless
chewy.
circuits in distress.
And you want some fries. And drinks on the house. Hey, I said drinks on the house.
Why did the robot go to cooking school?
Because
To learn how to make data cakes.
he wanted to catch up.
Burger adventure. Memories made forever.
Huh. Again. Okay. If you haven't noticed, it's been a lot of the same people wanting the same exact things, and everything just breaking the way it's been breaking for the past couple of tries now. Okay, so let's see who is the least amount of time. Jimmy.
Why did the robot order a pizza?
Okay,
He
Jimmy.
wanted a bite to eat.
Oh, I already got some meat. Oh, that's right. I already starting to make meat. There you go, um, um, um,
Smells like burger's heaven.
Are you sure it smells like burger heaven, or does it smell like uncooked meat? Because somebody's about to get some uncooked
Burger
meat,
cravings momentarily at rest.
and I think it's gonna be you.
Destiny is expert.
Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna be you.
Burger paradise. Time to say goodbye.
Bye bye.
Salutations, culinary connoisseurs.
Okay, Mr. 200 and some
Bunch of
odd
robots
seconds
used
for
to
me to
season
be able
their
to cook you a burger. Sorry, that's somebody else's stick, not my stick. My stick is a stick that's next with the patty. Oh, well,
Robots
you're
love
going
burgers.
bye-bye.
Confirmed.
Da-da-da-da.
Burgerless steak. Unacceptable.
Excuse me, sir. Would you like a patty? Would you like a patty? Would you like a patty? And this patty. Ooh. More patties
Burger
to that.
craving. Off the charts.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da.
Burger craving.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Successfully suppressed.
Da-da-da-da-da. Cook. Da-da-da-da.
Burger upgrade.
Da-da-da.
Urgently required.
Da-da-da-ba-da-ba. Da-da-da-da. Da-da. Okay, so you are gonna get this. And then you also want some cheese.
Burger withdrawal.
So let's
in
give you some
progress.
cheese. Throw some cheese on it. Here, you actually won't get an uncooked patty this time. Congratulations. Was it gonna get extra?
Burgerless steak. Unacceptable.
Okay, well, you know what? Your burgerless steak is about to have a really nasty patty. So if I were you, I'll stop complaining.
Burgerless circuits. In distress.
Okay, well, in that case, if your burger's less and distressed, then guess what? That sounds like a you problem,
Burgerless steak.
not a
Unacceptable.
me problem. In fact, my problem is not be able to eat your French fries. That's my problem. Now then, since I can eat your, I'm gonna give you. You want Coca-Cola, but you're about to get iced tea.
What's a robot's favorite fruit?
Not Coca-Cola.
Apple 2.
Here. See? We do the Blizzard challenge here. If it falls out, it's free.
Burgerless steak. Unacceptable.
Oh, that burger looks real good now. Health inspectors be danged.
Consumable quest. Culminated with delight.
I believe that I did so bad on that one. It didn't even want to show me my score of 0. Nice. Hey there, bud. You want some ketchup?
Providers.
Salutations, culinary
Bird.
prodigy.
Hello, Chef Extraordinaire.
Burger
Well, hello there.
essential for functionality.
You all having yourselves a nice little conversation amongst yourselves. Well, good, good, good. You need to, because you guys are about to experience burger problems.
Searching
Because
for burger
trust me,
perfection.
when you come to the not another cookie game diner, we have a very specific rule. You eat what you're given.
Why do robots prefer fast food over fine dining?
That's what you've been given.
Burger
They don't like
satisfaction.
waiting for their
Medium
circuits to
fry.
cool.
Hello, food artisan.
Yes.
Burger satisfaction. Maximum level achieved.
You stole your burger.
Hello, culinary masters.
My face is all been. You're about to steal your burger
Burger
anyways.
experience.
So you can just take it. Bye-bye.
Why did the robot go on a diet? To lose some weight in binary.
Why did the chef give a robot a green patty? Because he wanted to taste the difference.
Why was the robot
Oh!
fired from the pizzeria? He kept pressing the wrong buttons.
Oh wait, that's right. I kind of need burgers to cook for you guys. Because if I don't have burgers and these floppy things, then what am I gonna do?
Adobe.
Yes, the floppy things are back. I shall call it my floppy disk. My floppy
Burger
disk
dependency
shall
at
be ever
critical
so
levels.
floppy.
Burger feast concluded with satisfaction.
Congratulations. You just got a rip-off patty.
What's a robot's favorite fruit? Apple 2.
Come on now, cook. Can I cook my buns? Oh, I only have a score. Yeah, it's fine.
Burger withdrawal.
Oh,
in
hey, bud, you forgot your drink. Well, looks like you get 2 for the price of 1 today there, good sir. Ma'am, sir. Including a special bud.
Gastronomic expedition. Accomplished with delight.
Eat. Okay, so. Let's see here now.
Salutations. Consumable vendors.
You don't even realize you do this, but I'm sitting in a spinning chair in real life. So as I'm spinning, I am spinning. Fear me! Ah! Oh, wait, that's right. I'm supposed to be cooking for you guys. Well, did you know that I really don't care if you guys eat or not? I mean, you guys don't even like my food in the first place. So why do I even cook for you? Because if I don't cook for you guys, then what's the point? Don't mind me, I'm just going around in circles. I'm just wasting your time as of now. So if you want, you can totally go. I mean, you're not gonna get any food today. I don't know why you even come to this restaurant in the first place. Everything's broken. I mean, look at this. It says for me to use a pipe wrench to fix it. A pipe wrench. What am I? A monkey?
Why did the robot go on a diet?
And I got a wackadoodle. So guess
Somewhat
what?
in binary.
Just eat it. There. Better? Here, you too. There. Perfect.
Burger satisfaction. Optimal level.
Okay, I guess I might as well let
What's a
some
robot's
of you have some patties or something. So you know what? Here. You guys are gonna get the rip-off patty. You'll get the full rip-off meal. Okay? So just letting you know, you're gonna enjoy it. This is a patty that I've been wanting to make for centuries. For days, for weeks, for years, for millenniums, for as long as you want to say it is. Have yourself the rip-off meal of free $3.99.
Urgently
Burger
consumable
feast
quest.
concluded with
Culminated with delight.
satisfaction.
Let's see what kind of shenanigans I can do. Eat. The barbecue sauce is the ketchup,
Hello.
sir.
Culinary artisans.
Oh my gosh, your eyes are
Burgermeister.
full of nothing but blood.
Hello. Nourishment adventure.
Burger intake. Essential for
Eat it.
functionality.
Ear, you want some ketchup? You want some ketchup too? Open up and say, ah! Right in your eyeballs there, Jimmy. Anyways. Oh, hey.
Robots love burgers too.
There, Jimmy.
Burger memories to be cherished forever.
Oh. How long has that been on fire?
Greetings, food masters.
I guess everything's just going wrong today, huh? Oh, well.
Time for burger overload.
There you go. There you go. Have some burger overload. How's about, who's about to go? Oh, you're about to go. Bye.
Appetite appeased and contented.
Good for you. Did you know you just took a bad patty? Joke's on you there. And now we let it cook. Oh, look at that. Your patty's already, sirs. Ma'ams, sir, whatever you want to be. Whatever you call yourself. Are you robot? Are you?
Burger food, off the chart.
Are you non-binary? Robot jokes.
Eating adventure, an appetizing German.
Perfect. No. Perfect. I'm giving you the sauce there, bro. You're getting all the sauce. All the sauce.
Burgerless circuits in distress.
There.
Burger paradise reluctantly leaving.
Bye.